Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Sharan here. I hope you had a good day today. Before we go and do anything, I just want to discuss about what we had spoken yesterday. You can go and look at the levels. We had clearly marked our levels, that saying that this will be a level where we will look forward to buying it, right? Unless something really happens. So I also mentioned yesterday that whenever this is something that I have observed, when there is a range, right, as long as there is a confirmed breakout or a breakdown, you will not take a directional view, right? So that was our entire concept yesterday. You can have a look at the video also, right? Now what do I see in this? First of all, a fall, confusion, kind of a hammer, right? What does a hammer mean? A hammer and a spinning top put together. Now let's look at two things at once: a spinning top as well as a hammer. What do they mean? There was a confusion. In that confusion, today some buyers have shown some interest, right? This is how you this is how I read candlesticks. Okay, I try to understand confusions, and I try to understand how things are by looking at candles. There is a lot of meaning behind each candles that are formed, right? So if you understand those things, I think more or less our trading game becomes easy, right? Till the day I did not focus on this, I was not able to do good in trading. But once I started focusing on the candlesticks and everything, which is a basics of trading, things will start looking much easier, right? Now having said that, so please remember, one, there was confusion. There has been some sort of buyers that have shown interest. Now what does this mean is that tomorrow, if price, right, is sustaining above this level, right, above the head of this particular candle which was there, the confusion cut जो head है and today's जो hammer type बनाया है उसका ऊपर अगर price रहे, right, only then we will consider that it is a thing. If suppose the price opens somewhere here, gap down, right, that clearly means that the buyers were not very strong in the market and they were not able to. So we will again consider those things in scenario. Now having said that, let's straight away go and try and mark our levels, right? This is the level that I have marked, which is 15,500, because based on my open interest as of now, I can see huge amount of change. That means a lot of people have sold calls here, right? So even open interest, if I look at it, it clearly states right now 15,400 there is some sort of sellers, and 15,500 there are more sellers sitting, right? Now please also remember that if prices, right, sustains about 15,300 tomorrow, or if it starts moving above 15,400, please remember this: these sellers who are sitting here on 15,300, who are still holding it, right, who are thinking that the markets will come down, right, they will all start pushing the prices. These will start pushing into selling of puts, huge number of puts on 300 and 350. That means there will be a lot of buyers who will come into the market, right? That is how we look at open interest. Now having said that, let's straight away go and mark on daily time frame. Is there anything else I can see? No. All right, right, this is something that we have. I'm just going to mark this here, alt H, right? Is there anything else I can see right now? No, as of now nothing. So we'll go into smaller time frame, right? Smaller time frame also will remain the same. We will not look at these things. We will consider this first candle on 17th June. This will be our major candle we'll be looking. Today also, look at it. It came down all the way. The pressure came in. Here the buyers took the prices and through the day ensured that it was there itself, right? We'll also check with volume profiles as we go ahead. But let's do 1 minute. We'll just check volume profiles before we go there, right? We'll just do volume profile exchange. All right. So this is where a lot of buyers are acting, which is between level 15,350 to 15,275. इसी range में है as of now. If the prices don't sustain above 300, then you will see that there will be a downfall. Else we'll see that prices might go up. Okay, I'm not saying it will, it might go up, right? Now we'll go back to our indices, right? We'll mark this. Is there anything that I am missing out? Probably this level I also mark, because though there are some wicks around, but most of the times the body is sustaining above 15,280 levels, right? So this is also something that I will just hold it, mark it. Okay, I'm not going to consider that, but I'll just keep that as well in my mind. We'll move into a shorter time frame, 15 minutes, and see, is there anything that I can see? No, except for this. See, that's what I said, 15,250. There is a lot of buyers who are trying to be above this level, above 15,250. Now why? Look at this. It came here one, it pushed up. It came here, huge red candle in 15 minutes. It again went up. There was a breakdown. Again, the prices came above this. That means somebody is really wants the prices to be above 15,250, right? The candles tell you a story. They always tell you a story. You just have to understand and try and understand what they are trying to tell you. All right. Now here there was a lot of confusion through the day, and then finally these bulls have come in, right? So that's what I said. Tomorrow, if these bulls are not able to control the market, right? If suppose the price opens here and it starts moving down, that means these bulls are also going to go into bearish mode, right? So these people who have in the last half an hour would have taken the prices higher. Now, right? Is there anything else? Is there anything else I am missing out? No. I think more or less this should be our thing. Here is my no trading zone. Today's no trading zone also really worked in our favor, right? So I'm just going to put these things again here itself, very small, right? If the price opens around this level, I will be cautious, only scalping in these areas as long as price doesn't break your 15,200 or 15,400. We'll only look for small scalping based on candlesticks. Otherwise, we'll not be taking a directional view. Now, a lot of people would have already started putting in the thing, it will go up, it will go down tomorrow, look at the range. Fine, fair enough. But always understand that when things are very clear, that can see a lot of manipulation can happen. Manipulation in sense, I can move my prices based on my book building, right? So that is something that I always consider, right? Whenever something that is really visible, 70% of the times it happens, 30% it will make sure that people go wrong, right? So we always keep that in mind. So that's the reason I'm saying that if prices, as long as does not confirm a closing above 15,400, we will not. Like this one, it just comes, touches and goes back, right? Similarly here also, it came here towards this level and went back, right? So always remember, as long as you don't have a confirmed closing above it and sustain above that, we will not consider a price momentum in our direction. Now, is there anything else we can see? All right, simple. Price opens here, no trade. If it comes at 15,250 around level, we'll see how it reacts, and if it starts moving up, that is where we will take a trade number one. If it breaks this level, then I will not take a trade until this level, because this is a very like almost 60 points ka hi difference hai, which I do not want to take a risk, right? If only it breaks this level and I want to see how it reacts around this major level, right? If it starts pushing back again in this zone, then we will look forward to buying till this level, else we will avoid this trade, right? Now, suppose the price breaks here, comes down the line and then starts moving down, yes, that is where we will short the market. This is trade number 4, I guess, right? This is trade number 4. Now, if suppose the price opens here and takes a beating here, resistance, and then comes back into the zone, no trading again. We will wait for the prices. And if it breaks this level again, we will look forward to buying for our levels of 15,500, right? This is trade number 6 or 7. Now, trade number 5, I think, sorry, right? Now, what if price opens above this level, right? Again, if it opens above this level, we want to see how it reacts here, 15,400, whether it will take a support or not. If it takes, then we are again looking for a buying. If it does not take, then we will just wait and see how it reacts in the no trading zone again, right? This is how we will be doing. If suppose price opens today, I don't know why, if there is any new, US market is not working actually. I'm not sure why NDX, is not working. I have no idea why. But anyway, tomorrow morning SGX will see and take a trade. But if suppose there is a huge gap up, gap down, no analysis, no trade, we will wait, we will see for first 45 minutes to 1 hour, see how the prices are moving, which side they are moving. Based on that, we will take a trade. Otherwise, we will avoid. All right, this is my trading setups for tomorrow. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Do let me know, and we'll keep doing it. All right, thank you. Have a nice day. Have a great trading day tomorrow. Bye bye.